Okay, in Costco, look what we have right here. At first I thought it was a water cooler, but $789 on the party speaker. Okay, it's a little tower, maybe some lights. Oh, that's cool. Oh, is it like a press one? Oh, look, see? Could turn it purple, red. Do they have yellow or green? That looks like yellow to me. Multicolor. Huh. What? Anyway, $789, you guys. Pretty cool, right? Okay, for May, $9.49. This ends May 3rd. OxyClean Odor Blaster Odor ends May 3rd, $12.99. So most of these are going to be May deals. Okay, this is still $10.99 right here. Again, ends May 3rd. Pretty good to have in store. That speaker was actually kind of cool. Couldn't get it really working, but it was cool. So $18.99. Again, ends May 3rd. I feel like stocking up on cleaning supplies works. $9.59, May 3rd. The Woozoo is $26.99. It is on sale until May 3rd, which could come in handy for your desk. Okay, I did share this one before. Oh, they took it down. Here we go. So this is $129 here. Online, it's going to be $149. So these do cost more online, but online you get to choose different colors. They have pinks, they have blues. I think this one's dead though. Is it dead? But yeah.
There's probably no batteries in it.
Yeah, $130. So it is cheaper here in Costco. And you only could choose one color though in Costco. The Salt Life Beach Canopy. This one's going to be new. 7x7. Okay, $55.99. So $56 here. Perfect again if you're going to a beach. Even like if you're watching your kid play baseball or something. The bubbles are still on discount for $20. Old Trapper. I haven't seen this here in a while in Costco. Hot and Spicy, $18.99. 18 ounces.
Snake River. That's good stuff.
Pistachio Cluster, $12.49. Dark Chocolate. I feel like this might be new in Costco for a 16 ounce. And the Ubi White Chocolate, it is $14.79 now. Okay, I still haven't tried these. And organic sprouted pumpkin seeds are $10.99. So you need like pretty much a handful, maybe a handful and a half. But I've been using this because, you know, I can't swallow pills. And then $8 right here, Pickle-licious. Are these cucumbers?
What is that?
Non-GMO. They're cucumber pickle flavors. $7.99. And $10 strawberry matcha. If you go in World Market, you can find many varieties, but it's only 10 here. These are new and they're going to be 27 and oh wow, it's ending soon, April 19th. Ooh, they have cinnamon bears here. These are 10. These are actually really good. These are gluten-free. These are only 10.
Oh, they're chocolate covered.
Yeah, duh.
I just thought it was cinnamon bears. I like it.
$14.99 and May 3rd.
Okay.
Let's see, this is $29.99, so it was on a discount like a week ago. The beach towel for children, these are going to be $8. And you know, these come in handy even like for a just a shower towel. $8 ends April 12th. You have a dinosaur pony. I like this one right here. Libby, $14.99. Does end April 15th, and your limit is 5. And these are actually quite thick. You will get 16 in here. Also, you could find Libby's in Ross, and they're like 10 to 11. But I don't think I've seen a 16. You might get like a 10 piece. Okay, I found a tackle bait. This is gonna be $49.99. You get 80 pieces in here, and you get the zip up pouch. $49.99, salt infused. And then you have the family fishing rod. They're calling it the family fishing combo. Medium spinning, spin cast. I haven't been fishing in a long time, so I really know nothing about it, but it's 100 here.
Yeah, every time I want to
For
go,
the ugly
she's
stick.
Like, no, my dad made it boring.
$20 on the toe. Oh, you know what? That's kind of cute. It does expand, so you can put your towels in there or whatnot. Maybe a little picnic going on. And $70 for this cute froggy one. H2O Go on the frog. And we know those are 100 here, 35. Okay, I feel like I was just in here, but they're adding new stuff. Like $43. They always bring this one out. Oh, here's the swinging one for $49. This will go on discount to like $25 to $35. Also, Sam's Club sells the same thing, and I believe it's a little cheaper in Sam's. On the hammock chair, $49.99. A very easy chair, packable chair. The bamboo. Hey, all you need is the shade. Does it come with that? Yeah. It comes with a sun and shade. Okay. This is $49.99. Okay, that's a pretty cool combo actually. And then piano guys here. Special sales event. I'm not buying one. He's like looking at me. I don't want it. We still have sweaters. I mean, these are $12.97 now on the Hunter. If you're a big fan. But they have a little cooling effect to it. But I hate that we have tons of sweaters here. Let's see. What is this one? Kirkland. Zip up 20. Oh, it should be...
Like diving material or something, like neoprene or something. It's like a really weird rubbery feel.
Tommy Hilfiger crew neck, $20 for the women. Just a crew neck. They also have it in red. It's gonna have a little heart on it, a little floral action. These are $8. Oh, these are men's hooded jacket. Hey, say $8 for a hooded jacket. Leave it in your car. Okay, this is actually a really good deal. Never know when you're gonna get caught in the rain or need a little lightweight jacket. $8 right now. Puma's men polo, $18.99. Baby blue, navy, and black. Sieta down here, it is $4.59. Ends May 3rd. These are really good, but you know what? They no longer have fuego. Now they do like kettle chips. I'm not a fan of the kettle. I want the tortilla. They need to bring it back. So bring back fuego. And then $4.69 on Skinny Pop. It is on a discount. Both end May 3rd. And $8.99 on the variety pack ends May 3rd. The Johnny Pops are now $8.99 and they end May 3rd. And these are back. They're $16.99. You have strawberry, coconut, and mango. Flamingo hair daily moisturizing lotion, $18. And you get 2. Scratch and sniff. It's not funny. This is still $28.99. $39.99 on the eye cream. I think this is the one the lady told me was really good. And then up here is $39.99. It is vegan. And 24. This one ends April 12th. Oh, ending pretty soon. Alright, you guys, I believe this is gonna do it for my Costco video. It is made in Korea. And then 45 $8 right here. Of course, you will get 2. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.